The truth of moving back home that nobody tells you. If you've been following me from a long time, you know that I've lived in London for about 1.5 years to 2 years, and I just came back. And ever since my job struggle reel got viral, I have been getting a lot of DMs asking, oh, we want to move back but we're not sure how does it feel to like come back. So I thought I'd address it once and for all. The first thing that I noticed was how much I missed the freedom that I had. And it's not just about physical freedom, it's more of a mental freedom thing, about not being judged and not being watched. In UK, I could walk out anywhere wearing anything and no one would say anything. And here it's pretty different. It's like you're being watched about what you wear, about how you speak, where you go, and it's not like anybody would say anything to you, but you know they are talking about you. And sometimes I just miss the feeling of being invisible, you know. Second thing is confidence, and not a lot of people talk about it, but there I felt so bold, so sure of myself, because I was literally doing everything on my own. I was walking into cafes alone, talking to strangers, going on solo dates. So there I felt really bold. But here it's not like it's completely gone, but it's quieter. Like it's starting to fade, and I'm really trying to hold on to it. Third thing is readjusting, and people think that it's really easy, but it's not, because your friends and family is the same, your environment is the same, but what's really changed is you, your thought process, your lifestyle, like everything has changed, but somehow you have to adjust back to how it was before, and that's the toughest thing ever. But in the middle of all this confusion, the best thing is that I get to see my parents and my sibling every day. I get to hang out with my childhood friends, and I missed out on so many festivals, so many family functions. Like in abroad, Diwali is the most depressing thing ever if you don't have Indian friends, and I'd risk it all just to be with my family and friends, because at the end of the day they are the most important thing in my life. So I hope this helps. I hope the misery that you're going through ends soon and you start adjusting. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.